Let's peep the bike here.
Hey guys, my name's Jim Solinsky. This is my bike check. I got the alright, well, my bike is a custom premium death trap. And yeah, I'll start off with the front because I'm cool. Alright, my bars are stolen cell bars. Yep, got them from Brad. Show yourself. Kink Delta grips. I don't know, I just wanted to try them out. They look pretty cool. I wore them down like so fast.
First day.
Yep, and the bar ends that come with it. Stolen. Stolen.
Convict
V2 stem.
Also from me.
Yep, I painted it black. It was white. I got the Fit Shiv forks, the first version, and I got Blitz front wheel. I don't know. It's alright. It's cool. I got the premium Refuse Resist front tire. I love it. And the G Sport Glen MK whatever fuck. The Shadow Little Ones pegs. They're awesome. Moving down, I got Madeira Protocol cranks. They're like exactly like the profiles.
They're made by Profile,
Yep,
so you know.
they're like exactly the profile
They're
cranks,
just cheaper.
but they're just Madeira and cheaper. And I got the Fit PC pedals. Clear. They're cool. I don't know. I got the Shadow Scream sprocket. I don't know. I got it when I had my like birthday bike.
Alright, keep going.
It's
Nobody
pretty
cares.
crappy. Alright, I got the oh my god.
I don't even know what that is either.
It's called a poop.
Oh, mechanic half track.
Yeah, mechanic half track. The premium Sola Plus back wheel.
Alienation rim.
Yeah, Alienation black sheep rim. It sucks. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, show that shit.
Oh, right there. There's like a volcano or something. And then yeah, I'll show you the hub.
You gotta untrue this. Let's keep it going.
Yeah, so it's pretty good. I got the FBM hub guard.
And
oh yeah, We the People seat. I don't know, chunk out of it, and We the People seat posts. And yeah, that's my bike.
cool.